the track movie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's really important.
The company, you know, if you have this idea, put into action.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Because if you have a good business idea, put it into action. Yeah, we are going down like this.
Okay, here.
可以这样拍一下，这样拍就可以看到前景。
没关系，这。Like this is the raw material now you see, and here's the working shop for the extrusion.
Yeah.
Extrusion.
You see,
Yeah.
Ross, this your sister is very humble.
Yeah,
You know, in Africa, if you have this influence and this big factory,
Yeah.
you will not see them at work.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will not come. They will ring their phone, they will not come. But you see, yeah, they will be too big. But see her, she's showing me around, and she's the owner.
Yeah.
You know, and it's very good. So thank you, first of all, for being humble. Thank you very much for being humble. Thank you.
New project.
Oh, and there's nothing under. So it's easier for you to clean. There's no other.
Yeah.